So now you can see I have the video in. So here's my next step. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to go back to my project library. And I'm going to click on the plus. And I am going to do a no theme. And I'm going to call this backwards counting video. No theme makes it a lot easier to work with. I'm going to hit create. Now my next step, you can see these features down here because I've already enabled this. But the first thing I need to do is go up to Preferences under iMovie. And I need to make sure that the Show Advanced Tools is clicked on. This is not a default. This is something that when you have your students do a green screen for the first time, they will need to do this step unless for some reason someone prior to them has done a green screen. So I have Show Advanced Tools. Now with the green screen, how it works is I lay down my background first and then I drop my green screen video over the top. So I am going to go back to my numbers. And I apologize because my computer is moving a little bit slowly. And I'm going to get my number video because this is the background that I want. I'm going to double click on it so that I get the whole thing. I'm going to drag it, or not. Try that again. I'm going to... Alright, just a second. And take and drag it up here. It's not working for me. Just a second. Okay, there you go. So, even with a lot of practice, you still have problems. So this is a 21-second video. Okay, so I have a music track that I have permission from the company to use, and I'm going to cite it at the end, so I will do that. But for right now, I'm just going to show you the basics of how the green screen works. So this is what I'm going to lay over the top, or underneath, I mean. This is obviously way longer than what I want, so I'm going to back it up to where I know I'm going to use it. And this is fine-tuning. Right now I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm not going to go through the whole process of fine-tuning. So now I want to drop it over the top, and I'm going to get this. This is is how I get it, is the Advanced Tools, and I click green screen. So now I have choices of how I want my green screen, but I'm just going to play it for you so that you can see it. So now I'm going to say right now my background really doesn't enhance the video, so I'm going to go back in and I'm going to work and find a better background, and then I will show you what the final version looks like in just a minute.